What's up, guys? It's your man Chris coming to you live and direct. Millionaire Team, please go subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment if you have any concerns, questions, or comments. Alright, so let's get into it, guys. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about affiliate marketing and what I believe is the best affiliate marketing program out there right now. So the number one affiliate marketing program to me, guys, the one that I know to work and pay daily, will be Clickbank. Alright, so Clickbank.com, they got a high commission rate right now, between 40 and 90% commission of products that you sell. And they've been around for a long time, guys. They're a trusted website and they're good. So let's go ahead and get into it. What you want to do first, guys, is you can go ahead and sign up for Clickbank. So you can hit this sign up tab right here. Sorry, guys, I don't have the best internet right now. Alright, so you want to go ahead and fill out all this information: your country, first and last name, phone number, email address, and create a password. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and log in for you guys. Alright, so this is a new account that I just created just to show you guys a live demonstration of how everything goes. Go down here to Affiliate Marketplace. Once it comes up, guys, all you want to do is look to your left at the category section and find a category. You know, me, I like to stick to business and, marketing and stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and go to e-business and e-marketing. Let's go ahead and go there. Wait for that to load. Alright, so as you can see, they got quite a few different programs that you can promote and stuff like that, guys. I recommend trying to find something with high gravity, something close to 100 or better. You get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So I'm going to give you guys a live demonstration. Go ahead and promote this one. Okay. Account nickname. I name my account Newport Oaks. Generate hop links. Go ahead and click the copy the link tab right there. Put that down. So, guys, to make money off your affiliate link, you want to post it on your social media and places where people will see. But unfortunately, places like Facebook and Snapchat don't allow you to post affiliate links. So you want to go to bit.ly.com. Go ahead and sign in. Bit.ly. Show you guys how to shorten your link so you'll be able to post it onto Facebook. Alright. Okay. Let that finish loading. Oh, I never clicked it, huh? Oops, my bad. So what you want to do here, guys, is the link that you copied. You want to go here. You want to click create. Click create, guys. You want to post your long URL right here, which is your affiliate link. Post it. Click create. It's going to generate a short link for you. Because like I say, Facebook and a lot of other platforms don't allow you to post affiliate links. So you can use bit.ly.com to create a short link, which is, it appears right here. Go ahead and hit copy. Then what you want to do, guys, go back to Facebook. Go ahead and go to facebook.com or Snapchat, Instagram, wherever you're going to post it. And you simply just post the affiliate link that you just shared Go ahead and post that. So you mine. So what we'll do is create a post. Paste. You want to create a catchy title for your post, guys. You know, something that draws people's attention. No, hold up, I'm lost. I don't know how that happened. I'm sorry, guys. It's my first video. I'm a bit discombobulated at the moment. Make money online now with this program. Something catchy like that, guys, and you post it. And that's pretty much it. You know, that's how you use. It's how you use Clickbank, guys. Post it, and it'll post your right there. You know, you usually want to like juice it up, add pictures and stuff like that. But you know, this is just a demonstration to show you guys how you post it with Facebook. So hope you enjoyed the video. The next one will be much better. I appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you.